DuraPost welcomes you to this instructional video on how to install urban composite fence panels vertically with our DuraPost Classic Post. Urban composite fence boards can also be installed in a horizontal format. Refer to our urban horizontal install video for details. Please note, this video is designed as a guideline and may not be suitable for all types of installation. Remember to use PPE and ensure safe operation when using power tools. DuraPost Urban Panels are designed as the perfect solution for modern and stylish fencing. DuraPost Urban boards are slotted into place between two DuraPosts to make an urban panel. DuraPost Urban boards come in packs of 2. A 1.8 metre high fence panel will require 3 packs, or 6 boards. You will also require the bottom and top cross rails for each section of fencing. The bottom rail has a water slot for drainage. The following tools are required. When building the urban vertical, the 2 rails will need to be cut to 1.805 metres. This measurement allows for the urban board widths, minus 20 mm for trimming off the tongue edge on one urban board. Once the rails have been cut, ensure the cut end is repainted in the DuraPost matching paint. Once the rails have been cut, you can then use the bottom rail to get the correct measurement for the post position. For an urban vertical install, measure 1.830 metres from the bottom of the rail to the top of the post and mark the position. If fitting a DuraPost post cap, add on 15 mm to the height measurement. With the DuraPost now set in place, position the bottom rail at the base of the bay between the posts. The boards slot directly into the bottom rail. Slot the outer boards into place by positioning them into the bottom rail and sliding them to the opposite edges. With a vertical urban installation, the tongue edge of the far board will need to be removed in order to fit into the DuraPost. Ensuring the bottom rail is level, fix the supplied self-drilling screws through the rail and into the board to secure. When screwing into the post, if you intend to use cover strips, then apply the cover strip washers at this point for each set of screws. Position the next 2 inner boards into place on the bottom rail and slide and click them into place. We recommend that you fit the remaining boards using a position, push and click method. Position the 2 remaining boards so they are interlocked and resting on the bottom rail. Then simply push the boards together so they drop into the bottom rail and click into place. Add the top rail and secure using the supplied self-drilling screws. Additional self-drilling screws are supplied with the rails for fixing the urban boards. This will prevent rattle and keep them secure. Continue the installation by adding each bay in exactly the same way. Panels are available in natural, grey and brown finishes, which you can match or mix with our DuraPost colours. The DuraPost Urban range is sustainable, maintenance-free, eco-friendly, made from 70% recycled product and UV stabilised. Urban panels are fully adaptable and can be cut to create your desired height fence. Here are some examples of height options.